Alright, so now we're moving on to the Forbidden Light blister packs. Never opened Forbidden Light when it was a current set, so hopefully can pull some decent stuff out of them. I got 2 Rockruff cards out of it. Code card. We got 6 of these to open. We got the 1 Rockruff in this one. Code card. Just another Rockruff promo. All these came with Rockruff promos. Alright, code card for the other one. So we were able to get all 4 artworks from the packs itself. All right, let's see what we can get out of here. And I'm not really sure what the card trick is on the Sun and Moon series, so I'm just gonna flip through it and see what it is. So we have a Helioptile, a Froakie, Skiddo, Flabebe, and Gibble, Reverse Magnezone, and the Beast Ring is the non-holo rare. Okay, so it's 4 card tricks. So we have a Tyrant, just like Sword and Shield. So we have a Psychic Energy, Tyrant, Sligo, and Frogadier. So we have a Grass Energy, Anaporter, Araquanid, Ultra Space, Execute, Honage, Bunnelby, Esper, Krogunk, Reverse Alolan Executor, and a Palkia GX. Okay. That'll definitely work for me. Being the first time I've ever opened Forbidden Light set. We have Grass Energy, Mesprit, Floette, Heliolisk, Skiddo, Furfru, Honage, Bergmite, Goomy, a Reverse Bonnie, and a Rotom non-hollow rare. Got 3 more packs left for Forbidden Light. Hopefully we can pull more GX cards aside from Palkia. Alright, so we have a Fire Energy, Poipole, Crasher Wake, a Zelf, a Goomy, Skiddo, Furfru, Honage again, Bergmite, Reverse Skrelp, and a Noivern non-hollow rare. With the Zygarde artwork on this pack. Alright, so we have a Fighting Energy, Amara, Unit Energy, Uxie, Fennekin, Dubiter, Pancham, Inkay, Fennekin again, a Reverse Goomy, and a Hollow Goodra. Hopefully this last pack for Forbidden Light has another GX card. Hopefully. Oh, I see something. So we have a Water Energy, a Araquanid, Metal Frying Pan, Spoopa, Pancham, Esper, Execute, Scatterbug, Honage, a Reverse Tyrant, and an Ultra Necrozma GX. All right. Sorry about the lights dropping off. I'm not a fan of these automatic shut-off lights in my barracks room.